morning, traders, and welcome to another live trading room session here at Trademy.com. This is Kyriakos Harilaou talking from the Forex trading desk of Trademy, guys. And today here is a beautiful sunny day here in Cyprus, guys, in Limassol, and it's a great day. Let's see if that great day will be also transferred to our trading performance. So how are you today, guys? Let's check very quickly who is with us, and then, as you know, we will jump straight into the trading action. Good morning, Alan. Good morning, Augustus. Donald, good morning. Fanos, Francis, good morning. Laura, Mary, good morning, Mary. Good morning, Michael. How are you today? Good morning, Natalie, and welcome again, Rachel. Nice to have you guys all here. So before we start, let's see what we have done yesterday, guys. After starting the day very bad with 3 consecutive losses, eventually the account turned positive. We hit yesterday straightforward profits on pound yen and on pound dollar. And if you remember, we had pound Aussie trades running 15 minutes after we finished our trading session, and while the oil session with Elif started, we closed these positions. We reached $14,000, and throughout the night we also hit our intraday system trade on the Kiwi with a profit as well, and this has increased with the euro dollar trade. It has increased our yesterday profits, guys, to $21,136. Now, as I said, you never need to be panicked. Okay, don't get panicked if you hit 2, 3, 4 consecutive losses. It's part of the game, and it's something that you need to work out. Also, you must be patient. You must learn to be patient, guys, and eventually trust your system, right? So, as I mentioned in the webinars as well, I have a very nice webinar that says many traders say that they have a system, but they actually don't follow the system. So that's a webinar we will play today as well, so that you can understand what do I mean by following the system. So for today, I haven't placed any single trade yet. So we will proceed straightforward with our usual trend analysis, guys. So I'm looking now on the euro dollar chart, a nice recovery to the upside upon yesterday's interest rate decision. So I will take the last move of the 3 days, which is from this point here onwards. We had a correction. I wish I was here a few hours before we missed that entry level. However, as you know, opportunities are always there. So let's start with support and resistance analysis, guys, on the 1-hour chart. I will start by placing my support levels. The first important support level for euro dollar is at 113.75. 113.75. The next important support for the euro dollar, guys, is this level here, 113.54. And that's it, basically. Now, regarding resistance levels, let me use red colors. Resistance levels. There is the resistance level, guys. It's actually here at 114.30. All right, we might have an opportunity there. Let me see what I can get from it. 113.30. Let me also use the Fibonacci 61.8 in case it matches. And as you can see, indeed, it matches, guys. So I'm making this line a bit more thicker in order to remember that this is the 61.8. Now, regarding further upside resistance levels, I'm using, let me see, I will use Fibonacci levels, Fibonacci extension levels. I have a resistance level here. Let me put it on a red color. 161.8% extension level, and also I have another one here at 1:15.60. Let's round it up. And on 1:14.84. So these are the watch out levels for the euro dollar long position holders. So let me see what else we have here. We have bullish, we have overbought RSI is nice, is bullish parabolics. Let me switch to the 5-minute chart, guys. It's really bullish, but we need to find a good level to enter for long positions. So let me switch to the 5-minute chart. Not good for the moment. Not good. Let me check the levels here. You know what's the problem now? The problem is the following, guys. Let's say that you want to go long, right? The problem with that is that this is the 61.8. So I will put it as a brown color. Now, you need to understand some things. I mean, why I'm not going long right now? Who can answer this question, guys? You are looking at 3 lines. Why I can't go long now? And the target is 114.84, for example. I cannot go long now because I don't know where to put my stop loss. And as you can see, there is a huge space between these 2 lines. If the market now was here, let's say, if we open the trading room earlier, let's say, earlier than 8 o'clock, and I got the euro dollar here, of course I would go long because I know where to put my stop loss and there is free space for euro dollar to go up. But at this point, for the moment, we don't have an indication where to put our stop loss. And even on the 15-minute chart, I don't have a corrective downside move using the zigzag so that I know where to put my stop loss. So for the moment, I think I will stand aside for euro dollar. If the euro corrects towards this support area, then I will go for it. If we break above 114.30 and we make a corrective move towards that level, then I will go long. But for the moment, I'm not touching it, guys, and I hope it's clear why I'm not touching it. Let's go to the next one. We are waiting on euro dollar. Dollar cut. Let's put the 1-hour chart. That looks really nice on the 1-hour chart. Broke the 60. Okay, it seems that we will enter most probably a short position on that. Let me confirm that, however. I need to perform my support and resistance analysis. This line is from yesterday, forget about it. So actually I'm concentrating on this part of the chart only. So let me put my support levels. No, that's not a support level. That's not even a support level. I will put this one as a support level. Let me put blue lines. That's my support, guys. At this point here, 134.72. 134.72, bearish, nice, it's looking nice. Let's check the lower time frames though. So that's a resistance level. Actually, that's not a resistance, no, it is a resistance level. Let me mark it. It's actually 135. 135, round number. All right, it's a round number as well, beautiful. So let me take also the FIBO 61.8. Which is this one. This one is marked as a support level. 134.47. There is a space there. Why not? We can give it a try. So the 1 hour is turning bearish. Let's go to the 15-minute chart. All right. This is looking nice. It's looking really nice, guys. Okay, guys, I think I will short dollar CAD using the intraday system. So we just shorted dollar CAD. That's the first trade of the day. We have just shorted dollar CAD. We entered the short position, guys, on USD CAD. As you can see, 15 lots. Now, my stop loss, let me take the FIBO 61.8. FIBO 61.8. It's here, 131.91. Let me put it on a pink color. Pink color, 131.91. How much spread we have? 2 pips. 131.94 is my stop loss. 131.94. 134.91. Sorry for that. 134.94 is my stop loss, and my TP is 134.50. 134.50 is my TP. Let me check the money management criteria before I give you that trade. We are risking $1,914 and we are aiming for $2,982, so it's okay for me. So we just, using the intraday system, we just entered the short position on dollar CAD at 1.34768 with a stop loss 1.34940 and the TP at 1.3450, guys. So that's the first trade for the day. That's the first position I have entered for the day. So let's go to the next one. Dollar yen. Dollar yen. Oh, we missed it, guys. I like that. I like that a lot. We missed it. Let me see what I can do for you now. Okay, we have our primary movement, contrary. Let me check now, guys, what I can. I wish I was here 2 hours before. Anyway, you never run after the market. If you missed an opportunity, you missed it. It's okay, guys. So let me concentrate now and find the resistance levels on that. I have a resistance level there at 112.62. Moreover, we have a resistance level here. Let me see, I need to be very careful on that. So 112.14, that's my resistance level. Now, Fibonacci, where is my 61.8? There it is. So that's my 61.8. That's my 61.8, guys. It's a nice one. And Fibonacci extensions to identify support levels, guys. It was a very nice trade and we missed that anyway. So the first one is here, 111.70. Let me put it in a blue color since it is a support. And the next one is this one, 111.15. All right. Let me see now. So let me see. RSI is 30, so we are expecting a correction, most probably. However, it cannot be guaranteed. Let's go to the 15-minute chart, guys. And let's go to the 5-minute chart. 5-minute chart looks promising. But as you can see now, I cannot short it basically for two reasons as it is right now. First of all, we are approaching a support level. So never short on a support level. And second, there is space there. So the market can really reverse and go up to this level here. So what I will do, guys, for dollar yen, you can see that the resistance is here, guys. Now, if we break below that level, that's another story. I will reevaluate my decisions. But since we are holding above that level, I prefer to place a sales limit order. So I prefer to place a sell limit order towards the resistance zone, which is 112.14. So we will place sell limit order dollar yen using the intraday system, right? So yes, sell limit order dollar yen at 112.14. Now our stop loss, we have 2 pips. We are at 112.32. The stop loss will be 112.35. And the take profit, guys, will be 111.73. So let's place that sell limit. So we want a pending order, sell limit 112.14, stop loss 112.35, and TP 111.73. Let me check if the reward to risk ratios are efficient. I'm risking $2,816 and I'm aiming for $5,498. So that is great. So we just had also our sell limit order on dollar yen. Now we just need to sit back and wait. Now let's go to the next one. Dollar CHF. All right, it seems that here that we have a trade. Let me see, guys. So this one is looking very promising. 15-minute chart. Oh, missed it. We missed it, guys. We missed it as well. That one as well. Okay, we need to place pending orders. Never run after the market. Never. So let's go and perform our support and resistance analysis. We have a support. Now it's a resistance level, actually. We have a resistance level here at 99.06. We also, no, basically that's it. Let me check the FIBO, 61.8. 61.8. This one. Okay. Now, Fibonacci extensions, these move. $161.8, there is still space there. Maybe I will short the guy's market price. Let me have a look. Let me have a look. We still have space there. I like what I see. So these are support levels. All right, let me go to the 15-minute chart. I don't want to see overextended conditions, no. We have overextended conditions, guys. I cannot short it. So let me go to the 5-minute chart. Oh, it's a huge movement. No, guys, we can't short it for the moment. So what we will do on that one as well. But where are the resistance levels? We deleted them. Okay, we put them again. So these are my resistance levels. So this one, 99.11, 99.10 actually. So basically we have two resistance levels and two support levels. Let me see this one. That's our FIBO. Okay guys, that's another sell limit order. I will place a sell limit order on that. So, sell limit order, intraday system, sell limit order, dollar CHF at. Shall we try it now guys? Okay, I'm shorting it. I have just shorted it guys. I want to give it a try. I just shorted it, so we just shorted dollar CHF. It's very bearish. Let's hope we don't have a rebound though. So I just shorted guys dollar CHF, as you can see, using the intraday system. I like the bearishness of this pair. So I shorted dollar CHF at 0.98951. Now, my stop loss now, we need to take consideration 3-4, it will be at 99.14. And my TP guys, I think I will go for the next one. I think I will go, let me try and put it at 98.77, although I don't believe it will match our money management criterion. So let me put it, let me try this, 99.14 the stop loss and 98.77 the TP. If I do that, it means that I'm risking 2,865 and I'm aiming for 2,743. No, so I'm not placing the stop, the take profit at 98.77. I will place it at 98.30 guys. So my take profit for this position will be 98.30. So I'm changing that. I will put it at 98.30 and I will post it to you. So always have in mind the money management criteria, guys. Okay? So that's the second trade we have placed using the intraday system. Currently we are making already $1,000 from these positions, guys. So let's move to the next one. Let's move to the next one, guys. The next one is Kiwi. All right, here we have a nice, most probably a nice setup. I like these upside corrections. Let's check quickly the Kiwi, guys. Nice decline yesterday. We got a nice profit from that. So I will do now my support and resistance analysis. So I have a support level at 67.25. 67.25 is my support. Resistance levels I have here, a minor one. So let me see. Okay, it looks good. It looks nice, guys. Most probably we will enter long. Let me check my Fibonacci. It's at 61.8 here, 68.13. 68.13, guys. Let me see what else I have here, guys. So we have, let me get rid of this Fibonacci, doesn't serve anymore. So 3 lines is enough. 3 lines is enough, guys. So let me check the 15-minute chart to get the momentum of that. Okay. It's a bit of a bot. Let me check the 5-minute chart. Okay guys, we will use a pending order again. I will use this, the 61.8 of that, place a buy limit order. Don't have a choice, it has already moved. Never chase the markets. So I will place a buy limit order, 67.38. Okay, so on the Kiwi, we will place a buy limit order at 67.38. My stop loss is at 67.20. And our TP will be at 67.66. 67.66 will be our take profit. So that's a pending order. So intraday system, buy limit order at New Zealand USD at 0.6738 with a stop loss at 67.20 and a TP at 0.6766. So we placed another pending order. So that's all for that. Let's go to pound dollar. In case we decide to put our hedging system on that, we have a nice setup here. It looks nice, guys. So let me quickly make my analysis. We have broken all the support levels. And then I will give a pass to Elif, because I see that she has some nice trades. So we have a support level there at 126.72. All right. So Fibonacci, let me know, not Fibonacci, we have additional support levels at this one here, 126.14. All right, let's go to Elif and then we continue.
Hello guys, welcome, nice to have you here. We are urgently here on gold. We are making $7,000 on gold, guys, $7,000. Hello, we just opened the position 1 minute ago and we are making right now $6,400, guys. I'm getting ready to close this position. Let's get ready before it drops more. Here we go. Come on, $6,000 and I will get close. Don't get greedy, Elif. We closed it with $4,000. We closed it with $4,000. Our first trade for the morning, guys. Our first trade for the morning. I had an Italy 40 position from last night, which we closed as well this morning. And now $4,850 on gold within 1 minute, guys. Within 1 minute, we make this trade. And on gold, I will wait for another pull back and enter again. Guys, get ready. There is again a lot of money in gold. There is a lot of money in gold. You know, yesterday we made quite big amounts on gold, and today we are expecting also some nice movement. So now Italy 40 was quite good in profit. Now it dropped again. We will look and check. I put my take profit here at Italy 40 at 18,725. It's approximately $2,000 profit. Maybe I will adjust my take profit, you know me in general. And also on Italy on DAX, I have the same. I wanted again a long position on DAX. Here I didn't put yet my take profit. I will do it now. I will do it at 10,690 is my take profit for this position. It's the opening of the day and I'm expecting some money over here. So let's go also back to gold and see if we get any nice movement, any nice pullbacks on gold. And if so, we will enter again, take profit and a pending, not a take profit. You know what I mean? Come on, tell me. A pending order, yes. I want to put, let me see, guys. Let me see. Okay. Technically, there is still some movement up. Let's wait a bit more before we go for the next move. You see, technically, there is still some move until 1,254, 55-ish is still some move there on gold, but I want to enter with a better price. I want to enter with a better price on gold. Let me see. Okay. Let's put a pending order, guys. Let's put a pending order. I will put a pending order on gold. I'm going for a buy limit at the price at 1,252.30. This is my take profit, my pending order, and I want to take profit on this pending order at 1,253.50. Verify. Here we go. I just opened a pending order, guys. I'm on a pending order, and I believe we will have a pullback, and I want to enter again, and that's the move I'm aiming. That's the move I'm aiming. So let's go and check again a bit of Italy 40, and I see Kyriakos has already he went long on British pounds USD. Okay, let's go to Kyriakos, and then we will be back here for the analysis of Italy 40 and DAX. Let's leave Kyriakos to finish, and then we will continue here. Kyriakos, sorry for the interruption.
No problem, Elif. Nice profits, well done. So guys, I have entered long positions on pound dollar because, as you can see, the price is trading above all the support levels. So a further upside movement is expected, and I'm expecting the price to go above 127 this time, break these previous highs. If we hold above this line and we have a close of the 1 hour candle above it, the momentum is getting really strong and bullish. Also on the 15-minute chart, I have very good indications here. So we are going up for pound dollar. The next one, and as I have informed you using the hedging system, we have entered long positions. Next one, Euro Yen. Euro Yen fully recovered the decline. So that's one thing that needs to be taken into consideration. We are examining this part of the chart. We have a resistance level there, a strong one actually, 128.28. 128.28, guys. That's the resistance level of Euro Yen. We have a support level. Actually, we don't have important support levels. Let me see. I will use the blue color and I place the support here, 127.61. All right, now let me also take reverse Fibonacci. In this case, I will use reverse Fibonacci because we have a V-spike reversal, and I will mark this as my 61.8. Okay, let me see. on the lower time frames, guys. We go back to the 1 hour chart. I want to check and see if, let me see the extension level where it is. It's at 128.91. That's a resistance level. So in case we go long, this will be our target for the moment. Let me also check the lower time frames, guys. For the moment, I don't have any indication of weakness. Let me check the 5-minute chart. No indication for weakness. So we will place again a buy limit order on that, guys. Intraday system, buy limit order euro yen at 127.80. 127.80, stop loss 127.58, and TP 128.28, guys. So that's the buy limit order I'm placing. So I will place a buy limit order 127.80, stop loss 127.58, and TP 128.28. Let me check the money management if it is suitable. We are risking $2,950 to get $6,430. So that's another pending order we have placed. Unfortunately, the markets have moved before our trading session started. So now we need to wait for corrections. Let's proceed with Aussie dollar. All right, Aussie dollar. Let me analyze Aussie dollar. So we have a support level at 70.89. Okay, let me see FIPO. Let me also put the resistance levels first. There we are. Let me put correctly the resistance levels. We have a resistance level there, 71.61. Most probably we will have an opportunity here for long positions. 71.67. 71.67. There we are. 71.67. This looks promising. Maybe we get the opportunity there. So the next resistance level is at this level here, 71.98. 71.98. Let's go to a leaf and then you come back.
Hello guys, yes, before we manage to analyze, we are close to hit take profit on Italy 40. Let me see, we are making right now $1,200 on Italy 40. It's a nice movement up, and I believe I can close this position. What do you think, guys? Shall we close this position? Shall we close this position? I think we can earn now that it's dropping. Let's wait a bit more and we will get there. There we go. There we go. Come on. Come on. We adjust our take profit. I want my, here we go. $1,500. I will put my take profit to 18,720. Guys, this is my take profit. 18,720 is my take profit, and with this take profit I'm aiming $1,800 on them. In the meantime, gold pending order didn't get triggered, didn't got triggered yet. It's still there and ready to hit as well. So what we will do, let's check shortly DAX, what's happening on DAX. We have this position since I opened this position this morning, but you can see, let's check it together. DAX dropped yesterday heavily, and now, guys, get ready for Italy 40, $1,500. We make $1,799. Ching, ching, guys. Another one. Take profit. We hit $1,728 this morning on Italy 40, and we increased our profit so far to $8,471. Now we are left only with one position on DAX. We have just this one position running. That's why we have to go directly and check again Italy 40 if there is still something to get, and also on all the other indices. So before we do so, let's say a short hello to all our students. So who is with us this morning? Ellen, hello. Chloe, hello. Nice to have you here. Welcome. Guys, keep an eye on Italy 40. Keep an eye on Italy 40. It's quite strong moving. Also gold. We missed also the nice movement on gold. Let me see. We missed a nice move. I put a pending order, it didn't got triggered, and now it moved again up. Guys, I'm going again. I'm going again long on DAX, on gold. I just opened again a long position on gold. I will delete this pending order. We had a buy limit. I deleted it. Now I am long on gold. And we put on gold a take profit of $1,254.80. This is what I will put as a take profit, and it's approximately $2,500 profit, which I am aiming on gold right now. But gold is very high, guys. Just have it in mind. Gold is extremely high traded these days, so we have to be a bit more aware. So, guys, Donald, hello. Nice to have you here. Donald, did you enjoy yesterday's trading session? Fanos, hello. Francis, nice to have you here. Jenna, Julia, and Kylie, welcome. Yeah. It was a nice one. It was a nice one, Donald. Laura, nice to have you here. And Mary as well. And Natalie, hello. Rachel, welcome. So, we are ready now to go for the next one. We opened a gold trade. We are long on gold. Gold is traded very high. We have to be carefully. We almost paid off the spread. We have a take profit on gold at 1,254.80. We make a small profit. And now let's go to DAX. DAX is also okay. Our take profit is very conservative. It's easy to get. Now on Italy 40, I have to check Italy 40. On Italy 40, let's go. Italy 40 opened with a big gap, as you can see. Now it's pushing up. As you know, they could find a kind of conclusion in terms of the budget planning. As you know, I tweeted it, and guys, I'm going long. I'm going long again on Italy 40. Here we go. Just opened again a long position on Italy 40. I'm long again on Italy 40, guys. Here we go. I am long again on Italy 40. I am long on gold, and I'm long on DAX. On DAX, it takes too much time. I don't like it that it takes so much time to get into profit. Gold is giving us right now a profit of $450. and I will put a take profit on Italy 40, and my take profit on Italy 40 will be at 18,700, 18,780. This is what I will be aiming for. It's a big take profit. Let's see. You know, we might adjust our take profits. You know me, we adjust our take profits quite often. It is a take profit of $2,500 profit for Italy 40. Let the market develop and then we decide. So on DAX, going back to DAX, ching ching guys, we hit a take profit on gold, another one position on gold. We hit another one position on gold within 4 minutes. $2,600. $2,600 within 4 minutes on gold. 11,000 so far, guys. We made 11,000 so far. I hope you enjoyed it. And then on gold, the market still runs. But as I said, I believe at around 1,255-ish, it's the high level. And afterwards, I'm expecting here a reversal. So I will go again and put again a buy limit. I will put again a buy limit on gold, and I will see how the market develops. Here we go, and we decide accordingly. Okay, it's almost above 55. It is already above 55. Okay, let's go. I'm aiming here 1,254.50. My buy limit and my take profit is at 1,255. Guys, it's crazy how fast it goes. It's crazy. Before it drops, I will buy it again. I'm buying again gold, but we have to be on top of it. Guys, we have to be on top of it. We can't just leave it running because already gold is extremely high. Gold is extremely high before we get to a reversal point. Okay, I will go again for a 50 cents move up as a take profit. 1,200. $56.50. This is $3,500 profit, which I'm aiming here. We just opened another one and we see the market is very strong moving up. But if we go on the hourly chart, you will see, guys, this is the high of yesterday. So it's the high which we had before the interest rate decisions, and we have to take care of it. We have to see if the market goes higher than that. Then we follow and go long. If not, over there, we might get a reversal. And we see. So let's go to Italy 40. Italy 40 dropped strongly in the last 5 minutes, and because it dropped strongly, what we do, we open another one position long. Here we go. I just opened again a long position on Italy 40, and the reason why I did that, the market shows a move up. The fundamentals show on Italy 40 a long move, so I increased my exposure to a better condition. I increased my exposure on Italy 40. Here we go. And I put my take profit on the same level, but as I said, I'm not insisting on this level. And we see. So let me see. We put our take profit at 18,780 and we get there. Then we have also still our DAX position. Let's go also to DAX. Okay, DAX will drop. Guys, I will enter also on DAX another one position. Here we go. Just opened another one position on DAX. I increased again my exposure on DAX, and the reason why I did that, it's when we go on the hourly chart, we see a reversal pattern and the market will reverse and go up on the hourly chart. When we go on a half an hour chart, we see still an up movement. When we go on a 15 minutes chart, it's not clear, but still long term, it looks like long term. When I say long term, guys, I'm talking about the next few hours. That's why I increased my exposure on DAX, and I will put the same take profit as the previous one at 10,689. So that's the one I put right now. So we have 2 positions open on Italy 40, 2 positions open on DAX, and 1 position on gold. So then let's check what happened yesterday, guys. What happened yesterday? Tell me. We had a very nice movement yesterday. As you know, the interest rate decisions were increased yesterday for the 4th time in the year, and some signals were sent that next year it will go for 2 times. Yes, not 3 times, 2 times. Next year it will be 2 times, and most probably the first time it will happen by the end of September. In the September meeting, most probably it will be the first interest rate hike in 2019. However, yesterday we made some nice profits. We had also some losing positions yesterday. We made approximately 89,000. This is with the one of today. So we don't care about the one of today from yesterday. And it was a really nice day. We opened USA 30. We increased positions. We traded on oil. We traded on gold and made a lot of nice trades. As you remember, I had also 2 buy position, 1 buy position on Brent oil and 1 buy position on oil. Those ones I closed because the market moved strongly against us, but still overall we managed to profit from the trades, which are nice. So I hope today we will make also a nice profitable day. My aim is per day to get $15,000. As you know, we are quite close to that target, and then you decide what will be the next target. You will decide what will be the next target. So far, DAX and Italy 40 are moving nicely. Gold is making money. And what about the other two positions? On DAX and Italy 40, they still need a bit movement. So on gold, we are making $1,600. On Italy 40, we are making $200. On DAX, we are making $200. And the market moves in our direction. So nice one. We go to Kyriakos to tell us about his reversed positions. And then we will be back here.
Okay, guys, very nice profits, Elif. Well done. Guys, don't forget that you can have one-to-one sessions with this girl. I mean, she's amazing. Go for one-to-one sessions with her, guys. She's really amazing. I mean, go for it, guys. Why not? Go for it. She's most probably one of the best intraday CFDs and commodities traders I have seen. So I highly encourage everyone to go and have a one-to-one session with her. You will learn a lot of things, guys. So having said that, I'm looking on my positions, and it seems that the positions are doing very well for the moment. We are making almost $2,500 on our dollar CHF trade. Okay, she has a profit again. You see, let's go to Elif.
Ching, guys, another one, and it's again gold. It's again gold. Gold is really crazy. We just closed our gold trade with $3,550, and I increased my profits to $14,626, guys. Very nice, very nice. And we go again to gold and check what the market is doing. Maybe we can get even more. But as I said, guys, we have to be carefully with gold. We have to be carefully. It's going very nice up, but still, you see, this is the support level. Sometimes we have to slow down a bit. And this is now the moment where I slow down. I don't want to enter now again a gold position until this level is broken. Until this level is broken, I will not open again a gold level. Sometimes you give the profit to the market and you say, okay, I don't risk it, and we see, because I have to decide now. I'm expecting, according to the technicals, it should reverse, but it has right now such a strong power that it can break it. If it breaks it, I'm totally in. I'm going long, and the market will most probably go until 1,260. But since it reversed, we had also yesterday this strong movement here, you see, and then it reversed. And that's why I will wait now for the confirmation. Once I get the confirmation, I will go full in to long or short according to the confirmation, guys. That's the secret behind. Sometimes you have to be patient and stay out of the market to get the best possible entry level. So Kyriakos has an update. We go to Kyriakos and then we are back.
All right, guys, so get ready for some TPs also here at the Forex Trading Desk of Trademy. We see that our dollar cut position is doing very nice, and we are just 9 pips away from our take profit level. Also, the dollar CHF position is doing nice. We need to have a break below that support level in order for the price to crash further to the downside and eventually hit our target. So we need to have a break below that level. If we see that, then most probably we will get the profit from that trade. But the trade that looks more promising for the moment to hit our TP is dollar cut. For this position, remember that we are aiming for almost $3,000. We are aiming for $2,986. The pair has broken the support you see here and is targeting now the second support. Something similar I'm expecting to happen on dollar CHF as well. We need to break this support in order to get to this line here. So you can see clearly there's similarities between the two pairs. Now, our short position on euro dollar. Now, why I have shorted euro dollar? This is an intraday contrarian trade. Okay, so I'm against the trend because I have approached already a resistance level. I decided to go short, and since there is free space, there is nothing preventing euro dollar from dropping again down to 114.30. So there's a free space. I have speculated on the upper boundary of the space to the lower boundary of that space. So this area can be visited at any time. So that's why I have entered a short position on euro dollar. If we have a break above it, we reverse for long. We are going higher, guys. There is much free space to go up. But for the moment, I'm speculating that this level will not be broken. Now, on pound Aussie, we have reversed to short, a very narrow trading range. I have placed a buy order and then a sell stop order here, which was just triggered. So I'm expecting to see a downside break on pound Aussie towards this support level. So this means that we will hit our TP before that. Also, we have reversed to short positions on pound yen. We have entered long. We have a few of spikes here. Now it seems that the pair is correcting. However, in order for our short positions to stand any chance, we need to see a break below this line. Okay. For the moment, only the 5-minute chart parabolics have turned negative, and that's why I initiated the hedge short position. We also want the 15-minute chart parabolics to turn negative, and most importantly, break below that level. So we will see about that. Pound dollar, we have entered long positions. The pair is holding well above the support level, and as you can see, there is free space up to 127.15. With the momentum, I believe we can go a bit higher. That's why my profit is a bit higher than this level. Dollar CAD, as I said, is falling nicely, but we need a further more decline in order to reach our targets. And of course, my best performer in relative terms for the moment is dollar CHF. We want to see a break of this support level. And if we see that, then most probably we will head towards the 98.25 level. This trade is a $9,884 position profit. Now, regarding pending orders, guys, using the intraday system, remember that we have a buy limit order on Aussie dollar at 0.7099, stop loss 0.7085, take profit 0.7167. Also, Aussie dollar, as you can see, I have a buy limit here. On euro yen, I also have a buy limit order at 127.80. So basically, I want the price to retrace back to the moving average of the Bollinger Bands. I have my buy limit order here. My stop loss is a bit lower than this support at 127.58, and my take profit at 128.28. Also, for the Kiwi using the intraday system, I also have a buy limit order at this level here at 67.38, stop loss 67.20, and TP 67.66. And I also have a sell limit order for dollar yen. As you can see, I have a sell limit order towards this resistance area here at 112.14, stop loss 112.35, and TP 111.73. So this is the current update, guys, for the positions so far. We are still waiting for our positions to develop. I haven't closed any positions yet for the day, but it's still too early to close any positions. We will keep an eye on them, and I will update you accordingly. So I will pass to Eli for the concluding remarks. Stay with us. Some educational webinars will follow, and we are also available to you in the chat room for the whole day. We are here with you. Thank you for me. Let's go to Eli for the concluding remarks of the morning session. Eli, we are back to you.
Hello, guys. Welcome back. Welcome back. As we expected, gold stopped, slowed down a bit, as we expected, and we will follow gold very closely, guys. We will closely follow gold, and I hope you guys understood why I will hold back here and when we decide to enter again. If we see that gold drops at around 1,253 and our stochastic oscillator will give us a buy signal, then we could go again long. This would be a pullback. Or if it goes higher than 1,258 and we see on our stochastic oscillator still a long development, then we will go long again. But currently we have to stop because this is the strong setup over there where we have to press the brake button and we have to wait and be patient before we destroy our opportunities. That's what we do. So guys, on Italy we have another two assets open. We have positions on two assets open. The one is Italy 40 and the other one is DAX. My eye is jumping. However, so the one is Italy 40. Over there, the market tries to go higher than the opening rate. The opening rate was here. It's trying to get there. We have two positions open. The second one we opened with a better entry level, and we will keep that position as well. It's making a small profit right now, and we will get some profits here. It's not a big deal. We just need also here a bit patience. See, yeah, we need some money, like 1 hour we need to be patient, and then we will get there. I mean, look at the setup. Look at the setup. It's such a nice setup. Nothing to worry. And also on DAX also here we came to the daily high, and we reversed on the daily high, and then we will see what happens. So far we closed $14,626, guys. Most of our profits today we made on gold and some on Italy 40 so far. We see in the afternoon we will trade also oil and Brent oil. If you check yesterday, we had oil inventories and we had quite big drops, and now throughout the day we will watch out nice entry levels on oil, Brent oil, and most probably trade them as well. So it was a good start in the day. It was a nice start, and we still have the whole day in front of us, and getting ready to trade a bit more. So have it in mind, guys. As I said, gold we have to see, and we might enter also a sell position. We have to check what the market gives us. So, as Kyriakos already said, we will be here. If you have any kind of questions, just type them on chat. You can follow us also on our social media, guys. It's very important to do so you are always up to date and you know what is expecting us. Except of this, we will have also today afternoon another one late afternoon session, and you can join this afternoon session as well. In a short while you will get the invitation for that, and some webinars will follow, and I will see you later on. So have a nice day ahead, guys. Bye.
Okay, guys, just a very quick update. We are getting ready to hit our first take profit for the day. That's $2,987 on dollar CAD. In the meantime, I'm updating you about the current FX positions that I have opened and the pending orders using the intraday system. So let's go straight to our account here. As you can see, we are making $2,400 from dollar CAD. Our take profit is at 134.50. So we want the ask price of dollar CAD to fall down to 500. Currently it's at 555. So I believe soon we will get there, and this will be our first profitable trade for the day. I hope, guys, you have followed us on this position. This was a nice setup. Just 4 pips away now. We are aiming for $2,988 from that trade. That's a straightforward trade. 2.5 pips now. Just 2.5 pips away from the take profit target, guys. Just 2.5 pips away from the take profit target. There we go. It's falling nicely. Already the bid price has touched our take profit level, but as I said many times, we want the ask price to touch. Guys, I think I will take the profits of dollar CHF. It's $3,000. Let me have a look also on dollar CHF, but first of all, I will leave it. I will leave it, guys. So 2.6 pips away from the take profit of dollar CAD. I'm expecting actually the price to test the support level, and based on the trade analysis we have done, the support level is at 1.3447, right? So get ready for the TPs on dollar CAD. Is any moment soon we will hit the TP on that. Also, dollar CHF is making us some nice money around $3,000, but we are aiming for $8,000 on dollar CHF, guys. So I will leave it 1.7 pips away, guys, from the TP. Let's put the 5-minute chart on dollar CAD. Let's put the 5-minute chart on dollar CAD. We don't want the FIBOs anymore. Let's put the 1-minute chart, and you will see that as soon as the candle touches that line, our take profit will be triggered. 0.7 pips away now. It's falling nicely, guys. We want the candle to touch this line, and we will hit our TP. So let's see if we will manage to close that position. In the meantime, I will keep informing you about the pending orders that we have, guys. So let's see. Let me inform you about the pending orders. I stopped at Euro Yen. Also, we have, using the intraday system, a buy limit order at the Kiwi, New Zealand USD at 0.6738. Let's see if dollar CAD will hit our target, guys. With a stop loss 0.6720 and a take profit 0.6766. And also we have a sell limit order on dollar yen at 112.14, stop loss 112.35, TP 111.73. So these are the trades and pending orders using the intraday trading system. We are monitoring now the USD CAD trade on the 1-minute chart. Let's see if we will manage and hit this take profit. That would be nice. We are aiming for this trade, $2,988. So let's see. And you are monitoring my screen. I will now update you regarding the second system that I'm using, what type of positions we currently have. So we are monitoring dollar CAD. Any minute now, we are just a few pips away from our take profit level. Less than 2 pips now. We want the candle to touch that price. There we go, guys. We just closed our first trade for the day. That's $2,988 on our dollar CAD. So dollar CAD, nice one. Just hit TP, guys. $2,988. Stay with us. More is coming. Thank you. Okay, guys. Breaking news. We have Bank of England interest rate decision, guys. And we do have positions on pound Aussie and pound yen and pound dollar, guys. So interest rate decision for the UK, guys, 0.75%. It was a previous interest rate decision. We have also Member of Parliament votes for no further increase. So volatility is expected. Heads up, guys, interest rate decision coming out in approximately 4 minutes for the GBP. Super Thursday today, guys, for the GBP. Remember that we are monitoring the news from forexlive.com. Forexlive.com, guys. Who is with me on this one, guys? Are you with me? Can you hear me? So, interest rate decisions for the pound. Thank you, Nuno. So, hello to everyone. It's a very important time now, since we have, using the hedging system, we have a long position on pound dollar. We have reversed to long on pound yen, but we are short on pound Aussie. So I will switch straight forward to pound dollar, guys. We have long positions. The pair has broken all the supports to the upside. Let's see if we will break that resistance and eventually hit our TP, or if we break this support and we reverse to short positions for a further decline on pound dollar. The same goes for pound yen. Pound yen, we have just one support here, guys, and a resistance level there, so we still have a quite distance to cover. And on pound Aussie, we are short, guys. We are short, and we just need a small push to the downside in order to get our TP on that. Currently, we have closed only one position using the intraday system, straightforward. Dollar cut almost $3,000. Let's see if we will increase the profitability of our trading account. Volatility is highly expected. So those of you who have followed me on any of these pounds using the hedging system, guys, make sure you have your pending orders. Make sure you have your pending orders in place. So interest rate decisions. Let's see, guys, interest rate decisions. Nothing shocking is expected, but as you know, the interest rate decisions are very important. Now we are looking on pound Aussie. 15-minute charts already started to go down. Pound dollar started to decline as well, if you can call that a decline. Pound Aussie started to behave well. Pound yen started to decline as well, just a few seconds before the interest rate announcement. Exactly, Nuno, volatility is picking up. So let's see if this will cause us some losses as well, because these also losses are part of the game. There we go, guys, volatility. Get ready for a TP on pound Aussie. And let's see pound Aussie, guys, is falling nicely. Let me see, guys. There we go in 15 more seconds. Volatility is indeed picking up. We have just reversed to short positions on pound yen. We have reversed to short positions on pound yen. There we go. Volatility on pound yen. Also, we are getting ready to hit TPs on pound Aussie. There we go, guys. We hit TP on pound Aussie. We just closed our positions on pound Aussie with a loss because of the spread. So we closed the pound Aussie positions with a loss because of the spread. Now we are looking at pound yen. Look at the spread of pound Aussie, guys. This cost us a loss on pound Aussie. Let's see how the others will behave. So we had our first loss. So for the moment, we are also short on pound yen. So let's see. Volatility on the pairs. So basically the volatility cost us around $1,400 loss on pound Aussie, as you can see here. This is absolutely normal to happen if the spreads are not normal and they open during volatile market conditions. So we had a loss on pound Aussie, guys. Let me see what's going on with pound dollar. Some volatility. So let's see the news announcements from forexlive.com. Let's see. As expected, exactly as expected, 0.75, asset purchasing facility 435 billions, votes are changed for the interest rates full 9, votes for a cut 0, votes for a rise 0. So everything was as expected, but due to the volatility, we hit a stop loss on our pound Aussie trade. You see the difference here. It's $1,500, so this has dropped our profits almost in half for the day. We were up $2,988. Now we are down, but we are down by approximately $1,400, as you can see here. So we are still plus for the day $1,589. So let's see if we will hit any more positions. That was the current update. Stay with us. I will keep you updated. Thank you. Okay, guys, I'm back. A few reversals occurred on pound dollar. We have reversed to short position on pound dollar, and we have also reversed to short positions on pound yen. And as you can see, we have another straightforward position, guys, on euro dollars. We have shorted it. Currently, we are making almost $2,500, and we are just exactly no. As I said, my aim is not to reverse, but if we reverse, it happens. On the British pound, we have a lot of volatility. The market respected the resistance level identified, guys. Exactly. Amazing. Look at that. Amazing. It has tested it exactly, guys. And it's falling nicely. We shorted it here. And we are missing 10 more pips to reach our target profit for this position. That's $3,500. So we are patiently waiting for the trade to close with a take profit. Now, don't forget that we also have pending orders. We have a sell limit order on dollar yen. It still needs some space to be covered in order to get triggered. We also have a buy limit order on the Kiwi. It still needs some time. We also have a buy limit order on euro yen. Is getting there, guys. Here, buy limit order. We also have a buy limit order on Aussie dollar. It still needs some space to develop further. And as you know, we are short on pound yen. Pound Aussie, we closed with a loss, $1,400 because of the spread and the announcement of the interest rates of the GBP. This caused our spreads to increase to above 12 pips, and this has caused a loss on the hedging positions. But it's part of the trade, so let's focus now on the remaining. We are short on euro dollar, we are making money. We are short on pound yen and we are making money. We are short on pound dollar, almost at the point of the triggering price. And we are also short on dollar CHF, the same, almost very close to the triggering level, the entry level. We still have our pending orders as stated, so let's watch the markets. I believe that we will soon hit take profit on euro dollar, a nice decline from the resistance level. So as you can see here, there is nothing holding the price of reaching the level of 114.30. So maybe when it reaches that level, maybe I will enter also. No, I need this level to be reached in order to enter long positions. So I will see, however, and check again when the time comes. So we are monitoring the euro dollar chart. Currently, my best performer in relative terms, $2,420. Let's see if we will manage and take profit on this. Thank you. Okay, guys, we are getting ready for the afternoon session. Good afternoon to everyone. Before I welcome you all personally one by one, guys, let me tell you that pound yen we have reversed to short, and as we can see, the price currently has penetrated to the downside, the support level that we have marked in our trend analysis performed in the morning, and is getting very close to hit our TPs on pound yen, guys. Currently, we had one winning position using the intraday system of dollar CAD, $2,988, and we have a losing position because of the announcement and the widening of the spreads on Aussie dollar of $1,400 loss. So currently we are up $1,589 for the day. But as you can see, our biggest short position on pound yen is currently making us $17,000. And it seems that the pair has lost the support level. We are getting ready to hit TPs, guys. This will significantly increase our profitability for the day. This trade is using the hedging system. So guys, get ready for some nice profits. There we go, guys. Okay, guys, our buy limit order on Euro Yen using the intraday system has just got triggered. We have a buy limit order, so let me inform you straightforward about that. Buy limit order on Euro Yen got triggered. So based on the intraday system, we are long Euro Yen at 127.80, stop loss 127.28, 127.58, and TP 128.28, guys. Let me show you the Euro Yen chart. The pair has reached the support level. Now we have the stop loss below the next support level. We will see how it will go, guys. So we got triggered on Euro Yen, but as you can see, Euro dollar is falling. Get ready for a straightforward position, $3,500 of profit, guys. So we have some action eventually in the forex trading desk here at Trademy.com, guys. So Euro dollar is falling nicely. Now it has found support of the Bollinger Band, but since the support level is lower, let me put it on a blue color so that we are more accurate regarding the colors. The supports are with blue, the resistances are with red, and the Fibonacci levels are with brown or pink colors, depending on long or short positions. So we shorted Euro dollar, straightforward position. We are aiming for $3,500. We have reversed to short positions using the hedging system, and the support is broken. We are getting ready to get the money out of that. If it continues to drop, I don't want to see a close again above the support. Let's see. Stochastic analysis indicates that most probably the support will be given up by the price, and RSI is very bearish. So I believe we will soon hit TPs also on pound yen. Euro dollar is also approaching its take profit level, guys. And we got triggered on our buy limit order on Euro Yen. Currently is not doing so well, but we have, I remind you that based on the analysis we have done in the morning, that's a 61.8% Fibonacci retracement level of this upside move. So I have placed my stop loss below the next support level, targeting 128.28. Let's see if this trade will make us some money. We still have this support preventing us from hitting stop loss. So I think the trade needs a bit more time to get mature, to develop. So for the moment, we are monitoring Euro dollar and pound yen, the two trades that are currently making us money. We just need 9 more pips to the downside for Euro dollar to hit our TP, straightforward position, $3,500. And we just need 9 more pips to the downside to hit also our take profit targets on pound yen, guys. So let's see, let me put pound yen chart. We just want the price to drop below this line, and if we see that, then we will make the money. So let's see if we will manage and hit our TPs. So good afternoon to everyone who has just joined us, guys. I see Adrian, I see Alex. Good afternoon, Alex. Alicia, Chloe, Dan. Good afternoon, Dan. Good afternoon, Donald, Fanos. George Francis, newcomer, welcome, good morning in Canada, I think, right? Good morning in Canada. Ivana, Jeff, Jenna, Julia, Kylie, Laura, ladies, good afternoon, Mary, Mike, welcome. Exactly, Alex. Good afternoon, Nuno, always here with us, very much appreciated. Patrick, Philip, Rachel, welcome Rachel again, always with us. And Sushila, always with us. So guys, the trades are still developing, so the interesting part has just started. I don't believe we will stay with profits of $1,589. I think these profits will be increased substantially during the afternoon session. So let me tell you that I'm using two systems, the hedging system which keeps reversing positions. And for those of you who would like to know more about it, guys, it's not an easy system. The only thing you need to do is to come to a one-to-one session with me, and we can adjust it and make it profitable for your trading purposes. You need to use this Excel spreadsheet I have provided to your account managers, guys, which calculates the next position size reversals, always depending on your initial position size. So if you have an initial position size 0.01, then if I reverse one is 0.02, if I reverse second time 0.04, and this position size is adjusted according to your preferences, risk tolerance, margin requirements, and account balances. You have to be very careful though about this system. We don't want you to get a margin call, okay? So how this works and how this can be adjusted using your existing trade account balance, you can come to a one-to-one session with me to clearly analyze the parameters of your trading accounts, because I understand that you have different spreads than me. We need to make small adjustments, understand how this works, and you have nothing to be afraid about the system. Now, the intraday system is based on support and resistance analysis. Both systems basically are aimed on support and resistance analysis. However, the hedging system, I don't like to hit stop losses. If the trade goes by a certain number of pips against me, I'm reversing with a bigger position size. In this way, because of the bigger position size, I'm aiming to get money. If I hit stop loss on the longs, I will make more money than the losses on the shorts. The intraday system, I'm using 15 lots position sizes so that you can distinguish between the two. So if you see me opening 15 lots, I'm using the intraday system. That's one trade, no reversals. We will either hit stop loss or we will either hit TP. What is important, however, for the intraday system is your reward to risk ratios, guys. For example, here I have entered at a support level a long position for Euro Yen. If you go to my stop loss level, you will see that I'm risking for this trade $2,958. But if you go to my take profit level, I'm aiming for $6,453. So one parameter that you need to have in mind when trading Forex is your reward to risk ratios or yield to risk ratios or RR ratios. You can find them under many names. So, and it's not just using numbers. Okay, I will lose 2,000 to get 6,000. No, the levels that you enter and the take profits and the stop losses must be technically justified. Upon performing my analysis in the morning on Euro Yen, I found a resistance level here and support area here, 127.80 and 127.61. So I have decided to place a buy limit order at 127.80, place my stop loss a bit lower than the next support, and my target is exactly on the resistance level. So if again you would like to know how to arrive on these support and resistance levels, which is not an easy thing, okay? It requires some practice. Again, you can come to one-to-one sessions with us in order to guide you through the procedure of identifying correct support and resistance levels. So, no need to mention again the importance of one-to-one sessions. We can do a lot of things on the one-to-one sessions, guys. like the ones I have just explained. I can demonstrate and clearly analyze the hedging system. I can also assist you in identifying key support and resistance levels using exactly the same methodologies that I'm using Fibonacci retracements, Fibonacci extensions, moving average analysis, volatility, Bollinger Band analysis, parabolic SARS. We can do a lot of things on the one-to-one sessions, but we concentrate on the practical aspect of how you do things. So, Alex, you can sign up for a one-to-one session through your personal account manager at Trademy.com. So once you contact, do you know the name of your personal account manager, Alex? Okay, you can contact him. You can request a one-to-one session, either with myself or with my colleague Elif, and he will then guide you through the process how to arrange a one-to-one session with particular dates and time booked. Okay? So the same goes for all of you guys. The importance of one-to-one sessions. You are very welcome, Alex, and we are really looking forward to see you on one-to-one sessions. So look, for example, now how the price reacted exactly at this level. Do you believe this level it was made by chance? Absolutely not. There are Fibonacci levels there are mathematical sequences that derive me to the conclusion and force me to put a support level there. It's not by accident. Now, if this support holds and we make money, or if this support doesn't hold and we make a loss, that's another story. The key for you guys is to make sensible movements. What's the point of buying a trade and risking $6,000 to get $2,000? There is absolutely no logic behind this. So the key success for any of the systems that I'm using, and particularly for the intraday system, is money management. Yesterday, if you remember, I had 3 consecutive stop losses, losing $6,880. Then I made 2 winning trades and I was break even. And eventually the account turned positive $21,000. So make sure that you use proper money management. All these money and risk management strategies can also be discussed and thoroughly analyzed in one-to-one sessions. And the important thing for you to know, guys, is that not every one of you is the same. Maybe, for example, for Alex, money management strategy A is suitable, but maybe for Nuno, for example, thank you for allowing me to use your name, Nuno, another system and another strategy is more suitable. Okay, so we have plenty of work to do on the one-to-one series. So we are monitoring the charts. The other pending orders have not yet been triggered. Let me go through them. Dollar yen, for example, we have a resistance level there, a pending order, not yet triggered. If the trades are not triggered by 7 p.m. UTC/GMT time, we cancel them. And I'm referring to the pending orders, right? Dollar CHF, the position is still running, no pending orders. We have a buy limit order on the Kiwi, not yet triggered, using the intraday system. The Euro Yen is triggered. We have a buy limit order on Aussie, not yet triggered. So Kiwi, Aussie, and Dollar Yen, we haven't traded them yet today. The pending orders are not triggered. Now, another thing that is important, suppose that you have placed this trade with me and you are happy with the profits. You can close the trades at any time you wish. The same goes with profit taking. The same goes with losses. If at any point you feel uncomfortable with the losses, cut your losses as soon as possible. If at any point you feel comfortable with profits, cut your profits. Take the profits. If, for example, you are satisfied with $700 profit, just close the trade. Thank you very much, Kyriakos. Let's go for the next one. Right? Is it clear, guys? What I'm saying now are very important things that I have been telling to traders for the past 15 years. So it's very important. So Let's have a look on our trades. Let's start with the first trade that I have here. It's a long position on Euro Yen. As we can see, indeed, the price is reacting to the support level 127.80. Now we just need to sit back and wait and see if the price will eventually recover and hit our TP, or if the trend has reversed and we are going for new daily lows. We will see. Euro dollar, we were very close to hit our TP, but you can see now that the Bollinger Band acted as a support and the price now went again up. However, it's still making us some money. So let the trade run. We are using the hedging system. If I see a close above the resistance level, I will reverse to long positions. It means that we are going higher. But for the moment, and as soon as this resistance level holds, I'm keeping the short positions as they are, no reversals, no nothing. Pound yen, we have reversed to short positions. We have the pair is trading below the support level. I definitely don't want to see again a close above it. I don't want to reverse again. I don't want to enter this area again. I believe that based on the stochastics and the RSI's momentum, a small correction is possible, but eventually we will see that pair dropping to the downside. Currently, as you can see, using the hedging system, the biggest position, look at this system, guys, the biggest position has already recovered the losses of the previous position. That's the philosophy. If the pair continues to drop, this figure here will go much higher than the previous one, so we will get the money. Now, the pair that is not doing so well so far is my reverse position on pound dollar. Remember that using the hedging system, I'm trading euro dollar and the pounds because of their volatility. So euro dollar, pound yen, pound Aussie, I'm using the hedging system. For all the other 6 pairs, overall 10 pairs I'm trading, I'm using the intraday system. So we have reversed to short positions on pound dollar because we have a penetration of the support level to the downside. But the next candle is still above it. So pound dollar might still trouble us unless until it decides to make a decent movement. Now, and be careful, I didn't place that sell stop order there by accident. I wanted the price to go below the support level. So also this system is based on support and resistance levels. What do I see now on pound dollar? The support level still holds. We have the lower Bollinger Band acting as a support, but once we break all these, the support of the Bollinger Band, once we break them, we will see a free fall on pound dollar, probably not only towards 126.36, maybe we go again back to 126. But in order to see that, we need to see a sufficiently close of the 15-minute candle below the lower Bollinger Band. Now you see red and green lights lighting up and down, so let's leave them for a while. Dollar CHF now. Dollar CHF, we have shorted it using the intraday system again. And it is very important to notice why I have shorted it here. I have shorted it here and my stop loss is above this resistance level. Guys, again, I'm using support, trend analysis, support and resistance analysis for my positions. Now, the pair has broken below the support, but then we observe a rebound to the upside. Now, this is a crucial time for us and for the future of the short position of dollar CHF. Let's go to the lower time frames to see what's going on, guys. Now, what I see on the lower time frames is not so encouraging. Why? Because I have bullish parabolics, I prefer to have bearish. RSI doesn't seem to give up the 50 level. I want definitely the RSI to fall below 40 and bearish parabolics in order to have better chances of hitting TP on this trade. However, the circumstances change every second. Once you place a trade, stick to it and let it run. So we are monitoring now the 5-minute chart of pound yen. We are getting ready to hit TPs, just 5 pips away. Currently, we are up $1,589. I think it's time to increase that amount, guys, substantially. Let's make some money. We are just 5 pips away. If we hit stop loss on that trade, I'm closing all the positions. So this means that I'm 4 pips away, 5 pips now away from the stop loss of the initial position. So I will close everything if we hit stop loss. So let's see, guys, get ready for TPs on pound yen. The pair is dropping nicely. We need 3 more pips. We want the ask price. The ask price of pound yen to go to 326. So let's see if we will see that. 326. Actually 326. Yes, the bid price. Sorry, the bid price, because we are long on this position. So if we close stop loss, I'm closing manually all of them. So once you see this number to 326, we are closing the trades manually. Currently it's at 362, 353 now. We are getting there, guys. We are getting there. 3 more pips and we will close our positions. My eyes are on the TPs because the losses will close, the TPs will close later. So my hands are on the TPs. So come on, we just need 6 more pips. It's going a bit up now, but it's below the support. There is nothing holding the pound yen there, guys. I think we will hit TPs. We don't want to see a rebound again to the upside. For the past 20 minutes, it has refused to close above it. Let's see if we will manage and get our profits. Come on, break to the downside, guys. Come on, break. There we go, guys. Just 5 more pips. It tries to break to the downside again. There we go. We are making $18,000 on pound yen from our large position. There we go, guys. 4 more pips, less than 4 pips now. We want to break that. Are you watching this, guys? Did you understand how the 2 systems work? So I'm using a combination of both of them. It's a good thing to learn both of them. Both of them can make you money if you use them correctly. We're making almost $19,000 on pound yen, and see the power of the system. This position has already recovered the losses of the previous position. Now we are in the money and get ready to hit take profits. Just 3 pips away from our triggering price. We want the bid price to go to 326, 141.326. Currently is at 367. So 4 more pips down and we will get the money, guys. We will get the money. There we go. Come on, we want to increase our profits. We are very low today, guys. Just $1,589. Let's see, we are making $18,000 again on pound yen. And we are patiently waiting for the take profit to be hit. Patience, guys. You will hear me saying this word a lot of times while you are with us here at Trademy.com. Okay, the 5-minute candle has just closed. I think it's time to hit the TP, guys. We are just 3 pips now away from our take profit level. Let's see. It's below the support level. The price has broke below the support level of the 1-hour chart. So I believe it's time to hit our TP, guys. $18,500 now. Just 3 pips away. Come on. Let's switch to the 1-minute chart so that we can see the volatility, guys. Look how close we are, guys. Amazing. We want to break below it. Come on. 3 pips. 3 pips remaining. Come on. Drop. 2 pips. There we go. 1 pip. Okay, guys. Get ready. Get ready. Get ready. We missed that marginally. Amazing. Come on. We need a tick below this low. There we go. Patience. 2 more pips, guys. Break. We are 1 pip now. See, guys, you need to be very patient. 1 pip. We are missing 1 pip. Be patient. It's not greedy. The system instructs you to do that. So follow the system. 0.7 pips, 0.4 pips now. Come on, 0.4 pips. We want this to go to 326. Now it's 333. Euro dollar is doing nice as well, but let's concentrate now on pound yen to get the money. Come on, a bit to the downside. Less than 1 pip, 0.8 pips. Amazing. Stuck there, guys. It's stuck there. We just need a bit of more drop to the downside and we will get it, guys. Come on. Green lights everywhere. That's nice. Come on. Just drop. There's nothing hurting you there. Why do you stuck there? It's going a bit up now, a bit down. So there we go, guys. It tries to fall again. Come on. We are making $20,000. We want a bit more and we will close that, guys. That trade, guys. Now drop, make that bump to the downside. There we go. Okay, there we go. Just 1 pip. It's stuck there, guys. Amazing. It just stuck there. So we will patiently wait and we will hit. Exactly. You know, you have the same, right? I think you have the same because I know that you are using this system as well. There we go, guys. 0.5 pips away from our TP. We are making $20,700 on the last position. Come on, half a pip. There we go. 0.1 pip. Amazing. 326. We want this number to go to 326 and it's now 327 and stay there. There we go, guys. There we go, guys. Let's close the profits as well. So we have just closed our pound yen positions and we have increased our daily profits to $5,133. So let's go now to euro dollar. Euro dollar, the next one will be euro dollar, guys. Euro dollar. We are aiming for $3,500 on euro dollar. $3,500 on euro dollar, straightforward positions. Congratulations, Nuno, for making these profits. You really deserve it after hard work and a few one-to-one sessions. So guys, short euro dollar is making us money. Guys. So we are just 7 pips away from the $3,500. That's a straightforward position, guys. That's a straightforward position. We will increase our profits to above $8,500. And of course, we want to see that here live with you at Trademy.com, guys. Now, as you can see, the euro yen position is losing us money, guys. The support is not holding. Now we will see if this support holds. If not, we will take a loss. It's part of the game. No worries. So let's concentrate on euro dollar for the moment and then we can worry about euro yen. Let's take the money first. So currently we are making $2,850 on euro dollar. And again, we have a green light here. We want the ask price because we are short. We want the ask price to go down to 411. So we are 5.5 pips away from the $3,500, and I think it's time to get this money as well. So let's see, currently we are making almost $3,000 from that position. That's a straightforward position, guys, again. Let's see who will manage and take the money. Also, pound dollar reversed short positions are making us money. As I said, indeed the price gave up this support and is now giving up the Bollinger Band. So I'm expecting, if this decline continues, the indications are showing to me that we are expecting a sell-off of the pound as well. pound dollar, and we have reversed to short positions. Let's see, guys, if we will manage and get the money from the euro dollar short positions. You see how the Bollinger Band acts like a support for in this case. In the meantime, in approximately 4 minutes, the US Open will begin, and I will transfer straight forward to Elif for trading the US indices. Let's see if we will hit our FTPs. What happened, Elif?
Nothing.
Okay.
All good.
All right. So we are making $3,000. Let's see if we will hit our TP. 4 pips away, guys, from the $3,500 on euro dollar. Come on, we want the money. It's Christmas coming, right, guys? Let's see. So in approximately 2 minutes, I will give a pass to Elif. And regarding the progress of my trades, I will keep you updated using the chat room if we don't close the euro dollar position here with you. So exactly, market is giving presents, no, and also our wives want presents, so we have to make money, no, in order to satisfy the needs of the wives, of the girlfriends, of call them as you wish, because without money, believe me, they will start the complaints as usual. So we are monitoring euro dollar. Let's see if we will hit our TP. In 1 minute, I will give a pass to Elif for the lovely trading session of the US indices. We are making $3,000 on euro dollar. Come on, euro dollar, fall now so that we can see it live. You can drop now $3,000. Guys, shall we take the profits? Absolutely not. I'm just joking. You need to let your profits run. The only case I will close that trade is if we have, let's say, interest rate announcements. Okay, guys, also stop losses are part of the game. You see a red light there. However, the losses are very minimal compared to the profits. So we are making $3,100 on euro dollar. Let's see if we will manage and close that trade with a profit, guys. Euro yen is losing us money. Dollar CHF is losing us money as well. It seems that euro yen is not holding the supports. Let me see. No, it still needs some time, some space actually to develop. Dollar CHF is not performing well. We have the resistance level there, of course, protecting us for the moment. We will see about that. And euro dollar is making us a couple of money. So it's time now for the US session opening. So I'm transferring you to Elif. I'm sure she will do great. So Elif, we are on to you now.
Hello, guys. Welcome to our afternoon session. And the market is already here. The market is already here. USA and USA 30. We will trade both. Let's see. Overall, the market looks like a drop. Let me see. Okay, we go short. We go short after the interest rate decision. Let me see. Okay. Okay, this is a strong move. This is a strong move, guys. This is a very strong move. Oh, my chart. You didn't get me your screen. Here we are. This is a very strong move on USA 30, on USA 100. Let me see. Maybe I will close. Guys, I will close my positions with a loss. Here we go. I close all of them, or both of them, to take an action, to take a different action. Let me see. On USA 100, I have to go long. Long is... On USA 30, I didn't get a clear direction yet.
Muted.
Let me see. I don't like USA 100 either. I will go now again long. I got a better entry level now on USA 100, guys. I got a better entry level. On USA 30, I'm still not sure. I'm selling now again USA 30 with a better entry level. So now I have 2 positions open on USA 100 and 1 position open on USA 30. The market is not very positive. That's why I will put here my take profit at 23. 23,155 is my take profit on USA 30. Here we go. And on USA 100, I will make my take profit. I will put my take profit. Here we go. There I make already $800 on the one position and $200 on the other position. I will put my take profit at 6,340. This is my take profit here on USA 100. And also for this one, I'm going to put 6,340 is my take profit. Here we go. I just hit. Okay. I just hit take profit on USA 100. And now $700, another $700. There we go. We closed 2 positions on USA 100, guys. And on the one, we made $1,100. On the other one, we made $700. And the market still moves highly up. USA 30. It needs time. USA 30 doesn't really react well. USA 100 had a nice reaction. Let me see on USA 100. I'm buying again. I just bought again. And you know, when the market moves down, I will enter again. So I'm selling USA 30 with, I got a better entry level. On USA 30, I got a better entry level. And I will put my take profit on USA 30 at 23,155. And we will see. We will see how the market will react on that. So on USA 100, I went again long, and I will put my take profit at 6,360. This is my take profit on this position. And we are aiming another $500 on this position. If the market drops more down, guys, you know I'm going again for a long position. Gold, guys, let's check also for gold. This is a gold trade. You remember I put this morning a level all the time. It was not moving above, and now there we go, guys. On USA 30, we are making again money. That's good. So on gold, I will enter in a short while again a long position. Let me wait a bit more and then we will get there as well. So USA 100, USA 30, we are making $1,300, $1,400. Let's close this position maybe already now. I will, okay, leave it a bit more and then. So let's go to USA 100. USA 100, I'll go to 150. Okay, great. Guys, this is what I'm looking for. This is what I'm looking for. I will go again long. I'm here long again on USA 100. And on USA 30, I want to close this one position. I don't want to keep it at the same take profit.
Muted.
So USA 100, we are making right now $500 on the one position, $600 on the one position, and $300 on the other. Get ready for the next shot. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on, we will get there. Here, come on. Ching ching, we hit take profit on USA 100 and we made another $457 and we have still a position open with $600 profit. Let me put also here a take profit at 6,365. This is my take profit. We are collecting some profits, guys. We are collecting some profits. Currently, we made $15,123. There we go. There we go. Come on. Okay, USA 30. We have one USA 100 and two USA 30 positions open. The USA 30 positions, they are not very, very profitable. As you can see, this is the movement of since the opening. It's not very promising. While USA 100 made some nice profits. Guys, what about you? Torstein, hello. Hello, Alex. Adrian, welcome. Alicia, hello. Chloe, Dan, hello, Dan. Hello, Donald. Fred, welcome. And Ivana, Francis, George, Francis, welcome. Nice to have you here. Jeff, Jenna, Julia, and Kylie, hello. Hello, Megan and Mike. Welcome to the afternoon session. Nima, Menina, Nuno. Hello, Nuno, Patrick, and Philip, and Rachel, and Robert. Nice to have you here, Susan, and Sushila, and Torstein. So, guys, on USA 100, now that it's quite low, I'm going to trade again a long position. I want a bit more a drop and I will go again long on USA. No, it went up again. It went up again. Let's get ready. Hello, Alex. So it's morning hours for you guys. It's morning hours for you guys. And I will go also now to gold and see if on gold it's time to enter. No, on gold I will put a pending order, guys. I'm putting a pending order to buy gold, a buy limit at 1,250. I want to buy at 1,250. What? I did a bullshit. Let's do it again. Here I'm going again, a pending order, a buy limit at 1,250 is my buy limit. Here we go. Why it's not showing? Okay. And we see. However, guys, with USA 30, I have to be a bit carefully. I don't like the fact that it's very, very narrow over here. I'm currently making $900 on this position. Maybe I will close that position with a small profit of $900 on USA 100. Let me see. Dropped very, very strongly, and it's time for us to go again long. Here we go. I just opened again a long position, and we hit a take profit, guys. We just hit take profit on USA 30, on USA 100. On USA 30, we hit a take profit $1,779. That's good. We have two sell positions still, two buy positions on USA 100, and we are very close to hit a take profit on our USA 30 position, and I'm ready to close that position with a profit, guys. I'm closing it now with $1,000 profit. I just closed also my USA 30 position with $1,000 profit. That's good. Now I will check if I go for another buy position. Just now I'm opening a buy position on USA 30. So we entered with a quite low price, and I will go here for a take profit. Let me see where we will put our take profit on this position. I don't like this. I don't like this. Let's go for a take profit on this position at 23,195. It's a narrow take profit, and we see what will happen out of this. So, guys, we increased our profit so far to $17,935, $17,935, and we still have several trades to go. On USA 100, we have to be a bit careful. We have two buy positions, and the market moved strongly against us. Also, USA 30. Guys, I'm selling also USA 30. It's moved down, and I'm selling also USA 30. I have a long and a short position on USA 30. The short position, I don't... Okay, here we go. On USA 30 on the long position, we make a small money. Let me see until where I'm expecting the market to drop. Okay, I'm expecting the market to drop until 23,000. 23,050. I will put it until 23,050. Maybe it's too big. Maybe it's too big because we have to, guys, this is very important. Look, I will explain you something over here. We are looking at USA 30 on the 1 hour chart. And this is the previous low I'm looking at. And I put my take profit at this low level here. And I don't put it directly below this level. No, because most of the time the market reverses before. It reverses before. So I put my take profit a bit higher than the low over here. I'm expecting that the market will drop to that level, and then it will have a pull back. That's why I'm not worried also about my buy position, because the pullback will give me some money over there, and it's already there. The USA 100 pulled already back. Look at here. Look there. The USA 100 is pulling already. It's pulling. It's giving us some profits now. At least the one position. Also, our USA 30. We see, it looks like
Muted.
To support and resistance levels, right, guys? Yes, so on USA 100, we are making right now $500 on the one position. USA 30, it's a bit... Okay, USA 30 with this buy position which I have here, I'm not as concerned since I'm expecting a pullback at the level I mentioned. Let's go to gold and check what's going on gold, if we need to enter now our positions on gold. Yes, guys, I'm going now long on gold. And the pending order I had, I will delete. I delete my pending order. I opened now a position on gold. And I will put my take profit on gold at just $2,500. I just want $2,500 on gold. These are 50.
Hello?
Muted.
All good. We will put the take profit just 50 cents higher than our entry level, which is at 1,259.65. This is what I'm looking for, and then most probably gold will try to reach the 1,260 levels. This is what it will try to reach. Look at this number over here, guys. Look how high gold is currently. It's really high, and it will get even more. We got already almost paid off. We paid off the spread on gold, guys. We are making already $500 on gold. That's good. That's good. And our take profit is at $2,600. We are almost there. So our sell position on USA 30 is making profit. Our buy positions on USA 100 is not getting there. Let me see. So this is our USA 30 positions. It's okay. It's making money. It's giving us profits. This is our gold position. Let gold run. And we go to USA 100. Okay, USA 100. Guys, on USA 100, I will sell now also. Because there we go.
Hello?
Muted.
6,305. This is what I will put. And currently on USA 30, we are making ching ching, guys.
Muted.
We increased our profits to $20,553. Nice one, guys. And now I'm looking for even more. I'm looking now for USA 100 and USA 30. On USA 30, I'm making right now $1,800. $1,800 my take profit on this position. Now it's moving up. We have to, hello Ellen, nice to have you here. Nice to have you here, Ellen. We have a very critical day today. We have a critical day now. USA 100, guys, if we drop say 100 below 6,300, we have to close our buy positions. We make over there a
Muted.
if this
Muted.
students from England, you will find some friends, and I'm sure maybe you will find even some neighbors of yourself. So guys, we can't extend our profit. So on USA 30, we have to take also slowly in action. USA 100, there we go. It started to reverse. Guys, gold went above.